a great choice today with the 2019 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, Sirius satellite radio, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist, rear view camera, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.